Axe has strategically taken steps over the past 2 years to combat the idea of toxic masculinity. This year, Axe focused on breaking the gender stereotype that men don't apologize. So we came up with an idea that puts Turkey's most viewed hyper-masculine TV series Çukur the Pit center stage to show everyone that men do, in fact, apologize. 4 different conflict scenes were created in collaboration with the show's writers to spread our message, where 4 different leading male actors hurt another character's feelings. Then viewers were asked via frame ads, which character should apologize? For the first time, the destiny of the episode is in your hands. Send your choice via smart TV remote control or on social media. The character who receives the most votes will apologize in the very same episode while streamed on TV. Each leading male character was assigned a specific color button on the remote controls. Viewers were also able to vote via Twitter. Within an hour, we received thousands of votes. The voting results were shared right after the first half of the episode. Then we broadcast the apology scene of the most voted character in the episode. Apology scenes of the other 3 characters were announced simultaneously on social media. We retargeted back on smart TV and let viewers see the 3 other apologies on social media. We proved to every viewer that each character is able to apologize. Finally, we aired another frame ad on TV saying, "Now it's your turn." Share your apology message with the hashtag on Twitter. In just half an hour, thousands of apology messages were shared on Twitter, and we selected several to broadcast on TV. By the end of the night, 5 million viewers watched the show, shared the hashtags, and Axe became a trending topic. For the first time, a TV audience decided what would happen next simply by using a remote control. More importantly, thousands of men shared their apology on social media.